Pop, pop, pop. Let's get this bike done. Okay, guys. So, what I'm doing is working on my Harley FXDLS 2017 model. What I'm trying to do is run a USB switch this year. So this is not a Harley Davidson product. Got it from Cycle Gear, and yeah, I think it's 20 bucks. Usually 24. It was on sale. Whatever. Video quality might not be too great. I mean, it's gonna be okay. But I got a Hero 4. Thing's like 10 years old. So if you don't like it, whatever. The reason I'm making the video though is because I looked online on how to do this. And there was a guy like pretty helpful, but there's some things he didn't show on how he ran the wiring. He showed down here that there is a USB port that he ran, but he doesn't show how he got it there. And I did all kinds of things to try to get it through the, through this little well here, through the back. But what I want is for it not to show. I don't want this ugly red and black wire to show on the outside of the bike. The bike's clean. I paid a lot of money for this bike. I don't want some ugly shit just hanging out. So yeah, I'm just taking this battery box out and see what happens. I've never done this before. Haven't watched the video of it, so just figured I'd make a video for myself in case I take something apart and I can't get put back together. I have a reference, but it could also double as a educational tool, maybe. We'll see. So here we go. So we're using here is a Torx bit. I think it's a TT40. Got an extension. Oops. Drop the bell. Okay. So this Torx bit is the same as these here. Top to take this battery box out. So to take these two screws out, take the battery out, of course, that's what's right there, and then disconnect your battery terminals, and then they have a Torx bit the same size inside, and also you have to take this rubber strap off the front of the battery. But if you got any mechanical knowledge at all, that'll be pretty easy to figure out. So let's take this off, see what we got. Oh yeah, there's another Allen screw underneath the box. So whenever you get there, be careful, because I dropped it and the Allen screw oops, I don't want to lose that. So I dropped it and the Allen screw went. So this is where the Allen screw goes, at the bottom of the box, right here. And I dropped it and it got stuck in here next to the starter. So, yeah, don't do that. That sucked. It wasn't super bad to get out. I got a little magnet on a stick, a telescopic magnet, and that, yeah, I got it out, no problem. Easy, it's supposed to be. So, this is kind of what I was doing. I was trying to funnel it through or run it through behind the box, and I got it through, but it was fucking ugly. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. I got myself some wire and some solder, actually, which is almost too soft, but spun it up, and it actually worked pretty good. You got some spiders in here. Spider eggs. Ooh, they don't crawl on me. Sorry, mama spider. Babies cannot stay at my house free of charge. Alright, so yeah, don't need this anymore. Kind of a little contraption, didn't work. Like I said, should have known that off the go. This is going to be a lot easier this way anyway. So we're going to run it through the battery box. Yeah, I'm going to run it through the battery box. That's what I'm going to do. Got a space at the top, so fuck it, let's do this. Go through the top, and hopefully the cable gets smashed enough in there to where we can Okay, so we got all our cables where they need to be. Hot, ground. This can be kind of wherever. And we'll figure out the length in a minute. Put a fucking bolt back in. Need this guy. So, some people might say I need to re-Loctite it, and they're not wrong. Don't have any, and so we're gonna wing it till we get there. I guess it'd be all right. It's still on there, you know. I don't fucking know. Let's see what happens. That's too tight. Snug it up. Fuck yeah. Alright, hopefully that shit works. Cooking with grease, babe. Charging the phone on the bike. You can make stops, which is also fun. Like, stops are awesome. Because, yeah, I stop where beer is served. And I like beer. Alright. Let's see. Gotta get this just right now. I'm pretty sure this will probably be the most fuckery this whole process put me through. Alright, we kind of want to know we got enough. So, get it out. Some cable. Works there. Works there. That should be good. Now let's slide the bitch in. Okay. So, yeah, put the strap down. Should be good. Can I still pull it out? I guess I can wiggle it. Yeah, wiggle a little bit. Pull on the fucking wires and stretch it out. It ain't moving. It ain't moving. It'll be alright. It should be fine. It should be fine, I think. So, now for the battery terminals. Screwdriver. Where's my damn screwdriver? Shit. Where's my damn screwdriver? Shit. What the fuck did I do with that little screwdriver? Oh, there it is. There it is. Putting the bitch in. I'm gonna make it easy on me. Let's sneak the bitch under this way for, yeah. Yep, that's cool. That's cool, I like that. I like this. I like where things are going. Yeah, I like it. Things are going where I need them to go. Alright, so hot one. Hot. Hopefully it doesn't get real hot. Is that me? I don't understand electricity. I skipped that class in high school. Shouldn't have. But the teacher didn't give a shit. So we were skipping. We were smoking doobies in the parking lot. Yeah. Okay. So, got this here, that there. And we're fucking good. We're good to go. That's it. It's a motherfucking install right there. Wait. Before I do my goddamn victory lap. It's a nice car. Let's put this motherfucker on this thing. See how that fucker's in the fucking way? What a fucking cunt. Fucking cunt. You know, fucking poker. It's not a sense of wire. I'm not worried about it. There we go. It's gonna be squished a little bit, but that's okay. I don't give a shit. I don't fucking ground my bike out or some shit. Ooh, I wonder if that's possible. I guess it is. I guess anything's possible. I feel like there was something right here. Oh, there was. Yeah, I know where it's at. Is there no washer here? I guess there wasn't. I would have put a washer here if I designed this fucker. I didn't though. I'm an insurance adjuster. I don't build bikes. But whatever. Okay. So then this little doodad goes back. I think this is the ABS model. Yeah, for sure ABS. Fucking banjo fittings and shit. Okay. Hooks here first. Yeah, there we go. And then hooks here somewhere. Yeah. There we go. That's nice and on there. That seems fucking sketchy as shit. Okay. Putting our tools back. And we got this in. What the fuck we're gonna do with it? So I guess the next part is no, I ain't doing that. Not doing that shit. Maybe we'll let's see. There's a little tie wrap this came with. I guess we can use some fucking solder. We can use a little bit of solder. It's conductive and shit. It's kind of what they use anyway for tie wraps. I don't have any goddamn snips either. Oh well. Oh! Fucker. Found it. Okay. So. Try to make it look presentable and decent for an old homemade job. That'll be alright, I think. And then we'll fold it over the top like this. Should sit nice and flat. And then, yeah, fucking made them up. Pussy to penis. Fucking perfect. Perfect. And then all this shit needs to go back in there. Forget about that. This was not hanging out like this when I found it. I just got it tucked down like that. This was on top. For sure. Pretty sure. Not positive. Not positive. Yeah, not positive. Not positive at all. It wasn't in the fucking way. Look at that. That'll work. That'll work. That'll work. We'll sit right on top. Now we need to get a charger. Get Kate. Let's see if this will be long enough. Maybe so. Yeah, it's plenty long enough. Plenty long enough. Okay. Let's do this. See if it tests the phone. Okay, not so far. If you guys aren't aware, with these 2017 Dyna Low Rider S, yeah, there's a key fob. So there's no key on this bike at all, which, to be honest, I think is crazy. It's kind of cool. It's futuristic as fuck, but kind of fucking crazy. Super convenient, but crazy, right? I just like the fact that, you know, most bikes have a key, you know. But this has some electronic fob. If you don't have the fob on you, or the fob dies, which happens all the fucking time, you can put in your little password. Let's start the bike and see if the charger works. It fucking works. There we go. Okay, so close to getting to bask in the fruit of my labor. I'm gonna use a white cable, which is stupid as shit, because it's gonna get dirty as fuck. But I kind of like it. I like the idea. You know, you ever have like a pair of white Vans and they just get fucking nasty? And they're cooler that way, you know? They're just fucking cooler. But we're gonna have to watch a video, figure out how to take this part off. I wanna run it under this. Don't want it over the top of the motor. Underneath the tank, because it just seems like shit. Same Allen wrench. This is a standard Allen wrench. I don't know what fucking size it is, but if you got a set of them, most likely you have this size, right? That's standard. We got a metric and standard set over there. Probably the best set I've ever bought. I bought it when I was 19. I'm 32 now, and it's still a complete fucking set. If you can't do that, I get it. There's a little clip under here holding this screw in. So luckily it's not tight enough where I don't need to put anything in there like some vice grips or something. Cool. Alright, so that absolutely did nothing. I'm kind of questioning my fucking reality right now. Popping this off could be a fucking major bad decision. Could be horrible. Could be the worst. So, we're gonna watch other people on YouTube that know more than I do about this shit. We're gonna come back to it. I'll put this little screw in here. Watch me fucking ponder while I watch YouTube. Let's see. Okay, we figured it out. I'm gonna put this back on. Let's see what we got here. How much battery does this have left? Oh, it's fucking dead. All right, let's switch the batteries. All right, we're back in business with a full battery. Hopefully it lasts pretty long. Oh shit, I just noticed this fucker's broken. Damn it. It's not good. Cage on my freaking GoPro thing is totally broken, but good news is I should be able to fix it. But we could crutch along to the end of the video. Alright, spare batteries. So this guy says that we need to remove a couple other screws, which makes a lot of sense now that I'm looking at the bike. These two are holding it in. Tight as balls, god dog. Alright, so we got that one loose. Motherfucker, that shit was tight. And that one was super loose. Look at that. Displacement or some shit, I don't know. Alright, so we should be able to take this off and not have to fuck with any of the wiring, because that's not what we're gonna do. Like I said earlier, I'm not a fucking electrician. I skipped that class to go get high. So since I was busy getting high, not high enough to fuck with these electricities, these wires. So I'm gonna take this out and it should be good to go. His popped right off. Looks like he doesn't make videos very often, kind of like me. At the time he made the video, I don't know if he's making videos now. I don't know who he is. Maybe I'll give him a shout out. I don't know how this works. I guess that's a thing. I mean, I know it's a thing, but I don't know if it'd be a thing for me. That'd be either, I don't know, whatever. We'll talk about it later. Maybe I'll put it in the description. So you can watch his video and you watch mine and decide who's better at life. Because making videos is life. YouTube videos. There, got this. So this is still underneath this one. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I don't know if you can see, but that's what's under there. It's really not that scary. I thought it was gonna be scary. Not scary. Not very scary. Like, you know, not super duper scary. This is where the seat hooks, so we're not gonna put anything there. I'm gonna go underneath this muff. Heard that recently. That's pretty funny. Yep, pretty funny shit. Okay, how's this gonna lay? Let me figure that out now. I'll figure this out right now. But it doesn't have to be perfect. You know that, because then I wouldn't be doing it. That should be fucking golden. Yeah, that looks fucking choice, just as much as we want. Yeah, indeed. Okay, so you run under here. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Yeah, go over there. Get hung up on these things. I hope you guys can see this. I'm not a professional. I don't know what the fuck's going on. And then we just need enough with the fucking phone. Fuck. Fucking crap. Christ. Fucking Christ. Fucking crap Christ. Crapper dapper. Dapper crapper. Shit. Fucking shit. How can I fix this? Maybe I could put this down more. Is that a thing? Doesn't look like it. Maybe I can move it from here to here. Yeah, we can do that. It can work. I'm not going to buy a fucking iPhone charger. I ain't doing that shit. Fuck that. Yeah, baby. Let's see. Give me that phone. Yeah. This is the guy's shit, by the way. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks kind of cool. If you turn it sideways, it'd be like a, it'd be like that. Look at that. Yeah, fuck yeah. That works for me. I'm cool with that. Can I see my gauges? Can I see my gauges? Fuck yeah, I can see the gauges. Right there, that's the place. By the way, this guy is David Garza. Shout out David Garza. Being the first YouTube video for this kind of shit on the YouTubes. Yeah, man, fucking got it. You're killing it. He got like, he's got 12,000 views and 8 subscribers. Yeah, you're getting another one. You're getting another one because I used your stuff. Boom. Got subscribed to by nobody. I am absolutely nobody. That's okay. I'm cool with that. I'm going to get the fucking key to this thing because putting in that damn password is a bitch. And if anything bothers it while it's fucking, if anything moves the bike while I'm putting in the passcode, reset. Totally wipes it out. Gotta wait till it's ready for you to put it in again. And yeah, that kind of shit sucks. Fucking sucks balls. It's just, it's ready when it's ready, man. Keep the key in the jacket because I usually don't ride without a jacket because I'm not a jackass. That being said, props to all the guys that go out there and don't wear gear. I think they call them squids. But yeah, maybe you're not squids. I don't know. If you don't fall, or if you do fall, you don't die. I guess this is the key, by the way. I guess if you don't squid it up, or you do squid it up and you're just not dead, I mean, you're winning, man, right? Fucking pulling off dope wheelies and fucking drifts. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah. That's what I want to do with my life. I really do. That's not a joke. That's real shit. I super do want to fucking wheelies. Super do. On this fucking big bitch of a bike. I would make my fucking day. None of that other bullshit. We got fucking lights working there. Shaking. Alright. We're rolling, man. We're fucking good to go. Fuck yeah. Alright. Put this bitch back together. first things first. You got your plate screws, fucking tachometer shit. Fucking tachometer shit, bro. Fucking you. I'm gonna do with this. Let that shit dangle. I don't know. I ain't got enough to really like. I don't know. I guess we're gonna fucking hang dang. We're gonna dangle. Stick it right there. That's what we're gonna do. Stick it right there. It'll be fine. It'll be fucking fine. Nope. Get your bitch in there. We're going for a ride and we're gonna charge the phone. I bought a dirt bike, a KDX 220, which I might do some videos on because I don't have any back brakes. I've been trying to learn wheelies. And it turns out you fucking need back brakes to do wheelies or any like good wheelies. You know, I can do a chase out wheelie, which, you know, fucking what was that? How you do that when you're fucking 9 years old? And, you know, fucking badass cool 12 o'clock balancing wheelies without back brakes. You don't do it. It's just not, yeah, you do fall. You fall. Falling's not part of, it's part of it, but it's not the goal. The goal is to not fall, to rip the asphalt, not the skin. Yeah. So, and by the way, I don't know how to wheelie at all. I'm not saying I do by bringing it up. I don't. I fucking don't. But maybe I'll get there. How about fucking maybe? How the fuck maybe? I will get there. I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm gonna learn how to mob, as they say. Be mobbing the streets on the FXDLS. Yeah, I'm cool because I know that. So you know, that's the, I guess it's the model? No, yeah. FXD Dyna. Yeah, baby. We got the 2 Allen screws in. Maybe I'll tell you which size this is because I got it all out and it says it nice and pretty on the shit. So, let's see. So this, I don't know what I use this for. Forgot. But it was used and it's 7/32 seconds. And this is a 3/16 standard, of course, because I wouldn't be telling you, you know, fractions if it wasn't. You know, this is how the differences are. I used an extension. I don't know how long it is, 3-inch, I guess, about the size of a fucking small dick. And then TT40 Torx bit for the drive here. 3-inch drive. All right, so let's put the seat back on. She is haggard. This bike was used. Did not buy it brand new. And I didn't put the love and attention that was presented to the seat here, unfortunately. She's had some days with an ass in her, that's for sure. All right. Oh, I'm gonna need that fucking Allen wrench again. All right, dude. All right, bros. Yeah. Tighten this up and then, yeah, I guess I'll take her around the block, charge the phone, and then that's a wrap. It's a fucking wrap. This seat thing has kind of fucked my goddamn fender up. Goddamn. I guess it doesn't matter. If I was wheeling, I'd be scraping that bitch. Yeah, buddy. Fucking scraping fender, bro. Alright. Put this son bitch back. There we go, man. Fucking good to go. Put your fucking tools back whenever you're done. That way you don't lose them. All that shit, people. Nothing pisses me off more than a fucking fucker that can't fucking keep a fucking toolbox with all the fucking tools in it. God damn it, motherfucker. That shit pisses me the fuck off. Gosh, shit. Oh. Alright. We're gonna fucking Crocs, no socks. Hit the fucking road here, bud. And we're gonna charge the phone as we do it. Because that's just what cool fucking dudes do. I'm a cool fucking cat here, bud. Bud? I said that fucked up. Alright, so. Oh, we're not gonna have enough. Oh, no. fuck. Oh, we don't have enough. We don't have enough. Yeah, we got enough. There's enough. There's enough. There's enough, darling. There's enough. That's what she said. There's enough. You got enough. You got enough. We got enough. I'm happy we got enough. I bet she's happy too, right? She's happy too. Got it, buds. It's fucking working. Probably gonna bend the shit out of that fucking thing, but this works. It works. It's fine. That bolt. That bolt. Oh, is that a bolt? What is that? That's a big ass bolt. It's like a fucking. What the fuck is that? It's fucking stripped to fucking shit. Get that out the street though. Fucking bolt. Got nobody behind us. We're gonna turn around this awfully nice driveway. What a nice driveway. And that is it, boys and girls. We have installed a proper cell phone charger on the Dyna FXDLS. And yeah, that's it. That is all she wrote. Put your fucking tools away. Put your tools away. Put your fucking tools away. Put your fucking tools away. And there's nothing else to talk about. That's it. We fucking did it. I didn't take everything apart in the video, but I damn sure showed you how to put it back together. And if you can put it back together, you can take it apart. That's, you know, just the way things work. So everything in here that goes in here is back where the fuck it belongs. All right. Okay. So that's a wrap. All she wrote. Throw away your goddamn trash. Trash. Yep. Throw away your fucking trash. Throw away your fucking trash. In case you guys didn't know, my name is Brady Bro, and this is my first how-to instructional video. So if it sucks, I don't care. It's okay. I'm okay with being subpar in life. You know, every once in a while. You know, I excel in other regions. So. Shit's a learning experience. Life's a fucking beach. Fuckers dig it. Peace out.